All right, so first of all, I got to thank God for helping me with this one. It took me way longer than I thought it would, but I'm happy I finished it. So this is the last video I'm doing for this project. I'm going to be talking about the three things I learned from completing it. So the first thing I learned about this whole process is that it just takes a lot of time. I think I started this project in May, and I just finished it up here in October. So it took me around 6 months to finish it, and in that time I came up with the ideas for the story. I worked on the script, character designs, and the storyboards, the inking, and then finally just putting everything together to create a finished product. So it took me a while to complete the project, but I can't help but feel like I could have gotten it done sooner. So that leads me to the second thing I learned, which is that I have a lot of room for improvement. From my time management to my focus to my drawing skill to my writing and my storyboards, I definitely have a lot of areas I can improve upon. And like I said, it took me 6 months to finish, but I definitely feel like I could have gotten it done sooner. So I just want to get better at drawing and storyboarding so I can just tell better stories more effectively, and especially with action scenes. I definitely want to be able to draw action scenes better. But all in all, I'm really happy with how the project came out, and all things considered, it was just really fun. So yeah, this entire thing was a learning process for me, and looking back on it, I just had a lot of fun working on it. I learned a lot about making comics, writing stories, designing the characters, and how to just create a finished comic in Clip Studio. I'm also really glad that I was documenting the process with other videos on YouTube. That way I can just go back and look at them and really see my progression throughout these past 6 months or whatever, and just see how much better I've gotten so far. And yeah, I just enjoyed the process. I enjoyed making it. I enjoyed writing the story for it. And so I hope you enjoy reading it as well. If you'd like to check it out, you can click the link in the description to go read it for yourself. It's available for free to read. So hopefully you enjoy it. And I'm just going to go work on another one. And I'll see y'all later. Peace.